Oh, wait, yeah. I think that's to win. Now, what's this? That doesn't do anything. Okay. I literally have a crap ton of health. And I have that med kit just in case I need it. Okay, let me reload. So, you know how you guys said, yes, you guys told me something. I don't know how you guys told me, but you told me something, guys. But, you know how I told you guys that I know where the red key is? What's down here? Now, it leads to a crystal, but I'm gonna go get that help, because I watched my friend Fernando play this level. Again, I talk about him a lot because he's really good at this game, even though he sucks at keyboard controls. But he played this game. Okay, I'm trying to think. Is that the only secret? Shoddy's fully loaded. I've got decent health, so open the door. If I grab that, it's gonna kill me. I'm gonna die. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. I'm going to... I actually got a... What's this? What'd that do? Did I open the door? Oh. So worth it. So I'm not sure if that's all the secret. I wanna... You know, personally, let's go back over here real quick. There's something I'm actually curious about. You see, there's this truck here. And I was wondering if there was a way to open that door right there. Where the truck goes. It may be in here. Let's see. Nothing's alive in here. I'm gonna get this and just get refilled. Let's see. Let's parkour. Where do I start this parkour? There is a place you can start. Ah, here we go. We can parkour to armor shards. Oh god. Doing parkour is like the best. Okay, so where do I have to go? Yep. And a set off. Yay. Boink. 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 Slid off again. I'm determined to get every item, every sacred and secret every item, every secret and fall. I could turn on fall damage, but I might do a different E. Why am I shifting or crouching? Say it in Minecraft. Yep. 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 Yeah. Whoa. A sacred has been revealed. What sacred? What sacred? What sacred? Does it involve the truck? Can I drive the truck? I want the truck. Apparently I can't have the truck, huh? This game's not nice. What sacred had been revealed? Oh yeah. I'm in here. Just don't want those there. So that doesn't do anything. So the secret Pepe, Nika Sabalabaka, have been revealed. What Nika Sabalabaka? Whoa, game, don't start doing... I'm gonna save here, just in case. And we'll call it... just that. There, game saved. Okay. So now if I go to live game, it'll show me right there. Okay. That way, in case I do die, I can just reload from that point. So, I got out alive, and I still have full health. I kind of want to figure out what the tactic I got to do. Stop it. I was thinking there was going to be a sacred in this. Punch everything. Oh, it worked before. Let's go see if we can find a panel to punch. Go in here. Okay, the blue door ends. It's a. It always says exit. I don't know where you get that. I bet it's in the controller. I tried. Only in levels where I know I can. That's right. Can I drive? Running. I want to open the truck door. Let me open the truck door. Let me open the truck door. Truck door. Interesting. Okay, open this. I already know what's over there. I am gonna blow up the barrels. Blow up all. That imp was just standing there killing me. There must be some secret of Sacrative. I don't know why I'm blowing the barrels up. Punch this stuff. Okay, here we go. Punch the fire. Oh yeah, I don't have rip and tear mode yet. What the heck? That's weird. Let's see. There has to be a secret of Sacrative. Oh, that's weird. See, look, there's stuff down there. There has to be a way to open the gate so the truck can go. The first one. Wait, I wonder. If I... I know there's something I'm missing here. I'm not sure what I'm missing. I know I'm missing something here. There has to be a reason for the truck. I mean, there's always. What about you? What about you? Did any of you do that? What about these two? Open the door. What about has to be in here. There has to be a way to hack this to get the truck to move. Let's see. Let's see. There has to be a way. Because, I mean, it just they wanted to show an outside area for the truck for no reason. What if I pull out, what if I tried the last thing and hit that one? There may be something to that area though. Let's see. Okay, yep. Could just be losing a barrel. Run away and what if I get on top of the fuck? I was gonna say, what if I get on top of the truck? Yep. Okay, so now I have successfully gotten on top of it. Probably just wasting ammo and time. Whoa. But what if it's something to do with the cap? honestly pretty sure that. You know, I'm gonna go in the level and I'm gonna end the video, but I'm gonna rage if that is not all of the secrets and sacrets. If so, I'm gonna come low. I'm gonna die in there for everybody. Who are you? I couldn't move the truck. You know what? I'm gonna take my anger on me. Who are you, though? Let's do it. 98! Are you kidding? I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Ah!